So there's a bird in my house, and we're trying to get it out. But we don't know where it is. Which is even more scary. Bird.
Birdie!
No, don't make me come over here.
Birdie, outside. Birdie!
It's behind the stained glass. Oh my gosh, that was so scary.
Hey, bird. Hey, you retard. Seriously?
It's on the window. I don't know if oh my gosh, it's moving.
Hey, it didn't work the first 5 times you tried to fly through the glass. Let's try again, right?
Oh my gosh, this is like... It's just confused because we have such good glass. It's so clean. It's on the window.
Look, you can go through over here. Hey.
We have the door open. I think maybe we should like try to usher it out or something. Eddie and his manly umbrella. That is a duck.
Hey, bird.
I think it thinks we're gonna like try to eat it.
Kill it.
Oh, please don't.
Bird. Hey.
It looks like its mouth is just stuck open, like it wants to like, I don't know. You see it?
Are you serious? Hey. Hey.
Don't.
Hey.
It's like ready to attack you, Eddie. Do you see how its mouth is open and like...
It's like panting.
Well, yeah, running into glass is very tiring. You could try to throw something at it. Chopsticks? Oh my gosh. That didn't work out well. Oh,
seriously?
We missed. Just try to hit the glass. Don't try to like hit the bird, because like, I think if you like rattle the glass, it will get scared, you know? Eddie's a guitar player, not a baseball player.
Are you serious?
Well, we hit the glass and it was... Clearly it's a brave bird. It's a pretty big bird too, like for the little kind of birds, you know?
I suppose.
It's not like big bird. Uh-oh.
Hey.
Look, it's a friend.
I'm a bird. Don't attack me. I come in peace. Don't do it. We're here to help.
Oh my gosh, it's totally gonna move. I'm scared.
Hey, I am your friend. Follow me. Come with me. Jump in my head. Come on. Hang on her. Come on.
It won't go.
Hey. Hey, bud. Come on. Seriously?
Maybe we should like catch it, like put on gloves and like try to grab it or something.
Seriously, I'm touching it.
You are not.
It's not moving. I touched it! Bird, you will listen to me, for I am your elder. I just touched it.
Try to like get under it then and like scoop it up or something.
Hey, jump on my head. I'll give you a ride to freedom.
Is it moving?
Seriously?
And I just went behind the stained glass thing.
Bird.
This is so exciting. This could be totally a horror movie.
Not really.
Yes, the birds was not scary. This is scary. What are you throwing at?
Nickel.
Oh, okay. Don't break stuff. You can throw it, just don't throw it hard. Okay, my slipper. Throw it. That's a great idea, it's soft. No, that's a real big fish. Put it down, Alright, I'm gonna try now. Oh. Oh, it's moving. Oh! Alright, now it's just hiding behind the stained glass. Do you think we could like try to get the stained glass or something?
No.
Ah! It realizes that flight is gonna happen soon. Seriously, if that window just opened, it would be so much easier.
I know. Maybe if I hit the glass from the outside.
Maybe. I'm gonna be stuck in here though.
Just go out front.
Okay. Are you gonna be able to reach it? I can get my dogs and just stick them on it. Oh my gosh! Ah! Eddie! Great, now it's upstairs. Eddie! Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. It's up. Yeah, now it's upstairs on the ledge thing. Oh great! It's above. It just flew onto the ledge, like above, on top. Do you see above the certificate right there?
Oh. Oh, on that ledge.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be.
Hey. Yeah, you. Get down here.
All right. Well, maybe this is better though, because there's no windows over there.
Well, now we can't scare it off.
I know. I don't. Maybe.
Hey.
Here,
Yeah.
come over here. Come over here. Come over here. So it feels. Come over here. So it feels like it can fly away. Look, freedom. We won't hurt you. Come on, bird.